Hi students, Millie here. Hope you are doing well. Last time we learnt about types of nouns. I hope you understood well. So, I am giving you the simplest explanation for everything. In any language, we use words to speak or write. We arrange the words in a proper way to make a sentence so that all people can understand. In English language, such kind of 8 words are there. All of these words have been given a name and together they are called parts of speech. So today we are going to learn about parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech in the English language. You may get a doubt here, why did I mention here 8 main parts of speech? Because people considering articles also a parts of speech. Here we are not going to learn about articles now, that we will explain in another section. We are going to learn here only 8 main parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. The first one is noun. You all are familiar with nouns. A noun that names a person, place, thing or animal. You know many examples: boy, girl, school, hospital, church, building, city, many are there. And the second one is pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. A pronoun we are using instead of a noun. If we use a pronoun, we can avoid the repetition of noun. Examples: she, he, we, everybody, us, etc. I'll tell you an example in a sentence. Ram is a brilliant child. Ram studies well. So if we use a pronoun in the place of Ram, how we can change this sentence? Ram is a brilliant child and he studies well. Here he is acting as a pronoun. And the next one is verb. Verb is an action word. Verb shows actions. Clap, walk, run, see, all these are actions. So verbs are action words. I walk to the park. He runs fast. Many examples. You can make your own examples for verbs. And the next one is adjective. Adjectives are describing words. Adjective describes the quality of a person, place, thing or animal. Beautiful, brilliant, smart, happy, polite. Nina is a beautiful girl. So here we used the word beautiful to describe Nina. Ram is a polite child. Here we used the word polite to describe Ram. Got me? So the next one is adverb. Adverbs add more information about a verb or an adjective. Adverbs add more information about a verb or an adjective. Example: slowly. My dog eats slowly. Here eats is the verb and slowly is the adverb. And he is a very obedient child. Okay, obedient itself is an adjective and the very is describing that adjective. Adds more information about that adjective. And the next one is preposition. Preposition shows location, position, time or direction. See here, we went to school on Monday. I showed here 2 words in green color, to and on. So these to and on are the prepositions. We went to school on Monday. To shows the location and on shows the time. We went to school on Monday. So to and on are the examples for prepositions. The other one is conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. Okay. Conjunctions join together group of words or sentences. See here, and, because, but, etc. Are some examples for conjunctions. I like cats and dogs. Here, and is a conjunction. See here, cats, dogs. These two words joining with the conjunction and. I like cats and dogs. The next one, I want to go to the party, but I'm so tired. So these are two sentences, but joining with the conjunction but. I want to go to the party, but I am so tired. But is acting as a conjunction. And the last one is interjection. Interjections show emotions, surprise, happiness, sadness, excitement, and so on. See here some examples. Ouch! Wow! Hooray! See? Ouch! That hurts. It shows the pain. And the next one, wow, that's beautiful. It can be a flower or a child or a painting, something else. Hooray, it's a holiday today and that's your mood now, right? Hooray, we got a lot of holidays. So, I repeat again. Today we learned parts of speech. There are 8 main types of parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And I gave you the simplest explanation for each. Watch the video carefully 1 or 2 times and you can understand well. Bye children, have a nice day.